continuation of the action taken last week, where we demonstrated in front of the Teaching Service Commission. We're here again because we have not heard anything from the administration as to the way forward to deal with this impasse between the Teaching Service Commission and the Guyana Teachers Union.
That was President of the Guyana Teachers Union, Mark Light. Members of the GTU and teachers within the system were on the protest line today demonstrating against the Teaching Services Commission. According to the GTU, the Leila Ramson-chaired commission must go. The union is afraid of what further illegal or unprofessional acts may be committed if this commission is allowed to function under Mrs. Ramson, who refuses to approve the appointment of teachers. Light said the protest actions will build up and continue.
We need a new commission that will treat our teachers honestly and fairly. As you see, presently this is what the Teaching Service Commission represents. They're tired, they cannot review they cannot review the applications that we are asking them to review. They're scampish because it's matters before the court. They're still employing people and placing them in administrative position, and they're confused because even though they have responded to the matter in court, they're confusing themselves. So we want a new commission that will treat our teachers fairly and ensure that all teachers would have the confidence in them.
Some of the placards read, "The President must dissolve the commission now," and the Ministry of Education agrees with the GTU that Leila must go. According to the GTU President, teachers have become so accustomed to how they are being treated by the TSC that they never even challenged the body, although they know that they are senior to other teachers who got promotions. It was also pointed out that the TSC has never been inclined to make any changes. As a matter of fact, GTU said if 40 people objected, the TSC only made 1 or 2 changes. Reporting for Safe TV Headline News, I'm Tarana Bryan Granston.